Hello, welcome again in a new episode of Ultimate SMC Settings and Configuration. This video will be short, however, I'm gonna cover three different categories, which are advanced entry settings, when to close your position, and when to delete your orders. In the advanced entry settings, you have two flags, allow buy, allow sell, which allow you to even buy and sell, so in one direction or both directions. You have trade at market price. This is useful whenever you are trading lower time frame and you have spreads or big spreads. The idea is whenever you are on lower time frame and with spreads, the broker may refuse your pending orders for violating even spread, even stop order. So the idea of enabling this flag allow you to take that trade at market price, not really at the limit or stop price that you have specified. You can also limit the number of trade per session. However, I can also limit the maximum trade open by the EA simultaneously on a certain, let's say, per certain configuration. You can rotate orders. Rotating orders basically works between similar orders. That means if you have a sell limit, you can rotate it with a sell limit, a buy limit with a buy limit, a stop sell with a sell stop, and a buy stop with a buy stop. You can also prevent opening any new trade if your previous trade is a loss. You can shift your entry. This is very useful for prop firm traders, so you can distinguish a little bit your configuration from others. And finally, you have a order expiry minute, which will allow you to automatically delete any order that will basically be input by your EA. So for example, putting this at 215 mean if the order is aging of 15 minutes and it didn't yet execute in an active trade, it will be deleted. Now we talked about the advanced and resetting. Let's talk about when to close your position and when to delete your orders. Both have the same configuration. So let's talk about one, and the second will be quite similar. Basically, you can specify to close or delete your orders on a specified time. So simply you can activate this option. So put it at true, meaning that yes, you're gonna take the close hour and close minutes to close your position or delete your trade. And you can also use the opposite block confirmation, meaning if you are in a buy trade and you have one bearish block, then you can close your trade. If you're putting this at 3, you will wait to have 3 bearish block before closing your trade. It's quite similar for orders. However, for orders, you are deleting your orders. You're not closing them. They are orders that they're not yet executed. So you can just delete them at a given time or when the market shift against them. Hope this video is useful for you. Next video, I'm going to talk more about the risk. I'm going to talk also about how to set the stop loss, how to set the take profit, the break-even mechanism, the partial take profit, and that trading stop. So all what about managing that trade once it is set. Thank you, and till next episode, trade safe.